This is JUNOH Kim. I would like to talk about my discovery project. My discovery project is about the dangers of teenage driving. The leading causes of death for age 15 to 19 years old in United States are a big problem. There are some kind of solutions and how to collect the data. There are causes, major causes, and I will discuss about them. Major causes are for teenage drivings are seat belt. They do not use a seat belt and they drink so much, or they do texting and they exceed speed limit. Why do we have to research teenage drivers and car accident? We have to do this project for young people, and we can reduce car accident significantly compared to adult drivers. Also, the major causes of teen death are relevant to motor vehicles is almost 2 times higher compared to homicide and suicide. Also, there are resolutions to prevent teen death from car accident significantly. When you see the chart, motor vehicles is almost around 5,000 and suicide is less than 2 times, and homicide. According to NHTSA, it shows a map of alcohol-related car crash deaths by states. Georgia is first ranked for the car accident, and we have to do this project because Georgia has to reduce car accident for death, and we have to inform the importance of a car accident for teenagers. Texas is a top state. The second is California. The Florida is a third. Or Georgia is much less populated state. It means that Georgia has to be much less car accident compared to other big states. The data shows that 80% of teens are learned by their parents bad driving habits such as texting, eating, and using cell phones. Parents have to show more driving habits for their children and so they can learn good driving styles from their parents. Male drivers are 2 times higher than female drivers, and they have to really careful about driving. How to reduce a car accident? According to U.S. Department of Transportation, teenagers have to avoid late payment and rainy days for reducing car accident. They have to avoid snow on the roads during the winter season. When you see the chart, the wave payment is almost 1 million, rainy days is around 600,000, and we teenagers have to avoid late payment, rain day. Also, they have to avoid the snow days. And this chart is from 2005 to 2014. Also, teenagers do not use cell phones while driving. According to National Highway Safety Traffic Administration, younger age groups tend to use cell phones frequently while driving cars. Meanwhile, older age groups do not prefer using cell phones while driving cars. When you see the chart, age under 20 to 29, they use 39%. Also, age from 15 to 19, it's 13%, and it's over half percent of this chart. they have to do not use cell phones while driving. The risk with young passengers. The data chart shows that teenagers can drive their cars safely with adults who are older than 35 years old. This data shows that when they drive cars with people who are younger than 21, teenagers have higher possibilities to have a car accident. When you have one passenger, it increase 40%. Or if they have two more passengers, and it can be twice times higher possibilities to have a car accident. Also, we have to educate the state law for teenagers. Teenagers do not know traffic laws in state. Parents have to educate traffic laws and guidelines for teenagers. Teenagers tend to know all traffic laws. However, they do not know how. They do not have enough abilities to avoid unexpected situations. When you see the chart, teenagers know the traffic laws very well, but actually it's not so true, and they have to have parents or guardians to instruct their driving skills. It's very important for teenagers. Avoid driving at night. Teenagers have to avoid driving cars after 6 p.m. to reduce car accident, and it can prevent car accident for young people. Also, parents have to monitor their teens after finishing schools. When you see the chart, after 3 p.m., it can increase percentage. It's almost 15%. After 9 p.m., it increases 20% of teen death. It's very serious, and teenagers have to consider their times to drive cars. How to get the data? We can do online survey. We can also go to local driving schools, and then we can have an interview, or we can spread out survey papers. We can also get the website on driving schools website. We can get the data. Also, we can access Georgia Governor Office of Highway Safety website. Also, we can get the data National Highway PSA website. We can get the national traffic data. Also, we can get Georgia's traffic data. We can compare two data, and we can get we can make a graph, or we can make a chart to show how to persuade other teenagers, our parents. Also, there's one website. Its name is Insurance Institute of Highway Safety. We can find the website for teenagers about car accident. We can get specific data in the website. Also, in injury facts, we can get the data, specific data about teenage drivers, and we can take some kind of quizzes, some kind of surveys in the website. Also, we can find the specific chart in the past since 1900, and we can compare two websites data. We can make a new chart, and it can make more reasonable to persuade other people. Also, I researched this website and different chart, and we can get enough data, and we can do our jobs for this project. Thank you.